Hello and welcome back to our channel. This video is about how to use Airtable. In this video, we will talk about Airtable, its features, membership plans, the interface, and how to use Airtable. So watch this video till the end to better understand the platform. Let's begin with a short introduction about Airtable. Airtable is a spreadsheet database hybrid with the features of a database but applied to a spreadsheet. The fields in an Airtable table are similar to the cells in a spreadsheet, but they have types such as checkbox, phone number, and drop-down list. And the cells can reference file attachments like images. Airtable is a low-code platform for building collaborative apps. You can easily customize your workflow, collaborate, and achieve ambitious outcomes. Users can create a database, set up column types, add records, link tables to one another, collaborate, sort records, and publish views to external websites. Now let's see about the different membership plans of Airtable. Click on Pricing at the top navigation bar. Here you can see that Airtable provides four types of memberships: Free, Plus, Pro, and Enterprise. The free plan, which is obviously free, is suitable for individuals or very small teams who are just getting started with Airtable. The Plus plan is for teams looking to create a single source of truth to manage their workflows and processes. This plan comes at $10 per seat per month if billed annually. And if you bill monthly, it will come at $12 per seat per month. The Pro plan is for teams and companies who need to create workflows and extensions to run their most important processes across their organizations. This plan comes at $20 per seat per month if billed annually, and if you're billing monthly, it will be at $24 per seat per month. The enterprise plan is suitable for departments and organizations who have advanced customization, scale, security, control, and support needs. To know the price of this plan, you need to contact the customer support team of Airtable. Scroll down and you will see a comparative view of all the features of these different plans. To use Airtable, you first need an account. For this, click on the Sign Up for Free button on the top right corner. A pop-up window will open, and from here, you can sign up using your Google account or else enter your email ID here and then click on the Continue button. Now enter your full name here and create a password here and then click on the Continue button and your account will be created. As a token of love, Airtable will upgrade you to a free 14-day trial of the Pro plan. You can try the complete range of features on Airtable before deciding which plan is right for you. At the end of your trial, you will automatically move to the free plan unless you choose to upgrade. This is your workspace. Here on the top navigation bar, you will see four tabs, which are Bases, Templates, Marketplace, and Universe. You can consider the Bases tab as your dashboard. From the left sidebar, you can select your workspace if in case you have multiple workspaces. And you can use this Add a Workspace tab to create a new one. And you can use this Trash tab to access deleted workspaces in the bin. From the Learning and Resources section, you can get knowledge-based articles, help, contact sales team, and much more. In the center of the page, you will see your workspace's name. If you are on a trial period on Airtable, here you can see how many days are left for it. Use this Share button to add a collaborator to your workspace. Here you will see four different options. The first is Start with a form. With this, you can create a new blank form with custom fields to collect data. The second is Quickly Upload. Using this, you can easily migrate your existing projects in just a few minutes. The third one is Start with a Grid. With this, you can create a new blank grid with custom tables, fields, and views. And lastly, there is the Pick a Template option. From here, you can select a template to get started and customize it as you go. The four tools have different features and options that you can customize according to your choice. But the basic interface on all four of them will be the same, which is to simply drag and drop. So here we are going to demonstrate the Start with a Form tool. Click on it. Now on this page, here you need to enter the name of your form. And from here, select the theme color for the form. Once done, click on the Continue button. On the next page, you have to select what type of information do you want to collect. You can use name, email address, date, team, profile photo, rating, comments, and feedback. Use this Add Your Own button to create your custom fields. You can select up to 4, but you will be able to add more later on. Once you have selected the desired fields, you can see the preview in the right side. And finally, click on the Continue button. On the next page, in addition to a grid, you can also get your responses as a calendar, Kanban, and gallery. This customization is optional. You can leave it unchanged and then click on the Continue button. Now Airtable will start creating a workspace for you, and on this page, you can easily customize your form. Here in the center of the page, you will see your form with all the elements that you had selected earlier. From here in the left side bar, you can change the view of your form as grid. And from here, you can add fields to your form. To add new fields from this list, click on the plus icon next to the field and it will be added to the form. If you want to hide or delete any fields that are already added to the form, select the field and then drag it here to hide it or delete it. Once you're done with placing all the fields, click on the Share Form button here and then click on the Create a Shareable Form link option. Airtable will generate a link for your form. You can see it here and you can send this link to anyone to have them fill it out or embed it on a website. If you want to delete the link for the form, click on the Disable Shared View Link button here. If you want to view your own form, click on the Open Form button here. And with this, we have completed our tutorial on how to use Airtable. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We'll see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.